Research Team 390 provides practical strategies to improve advanced work packaging implementation for increased effectiveness and efficiency. The team's research findings provide valuable insights into AWT best practices, including process implementation steps, role considerations, organizational structure, and technology utilization. These outcomes serve as a guide for industry professionals to support owners' objectives of implementing and advancing AWT as a major driver for productivity improvement. Here to present their findings, please welcome Vassilina Demetracopoulou, Jay Moser, Herman Guyo, and Mikitaka Hayashi.
Hi, everyone. Thank you very much. We're the 390 team, and we're going to talk about an essential execution guidance for successful AWT implementation. So AWT, or Advanced Work Packaging, is a planned and executable approach that extends throughout an EPC project lifecycle. It's an improvement to traditional project management since it provides a disciplined approach to organizing and delivering projects through clearly defined work packages. This is a snapshot of a project, an actual project that you're going to see throughout the presentation, where AWT has been used with significant benefits and aligned with technological advancement initiatives and proactive data management. But it is challenging to get to this point of AWT implementation. In the last 10 years, AWT has evolved significantly and provides an opportunity for these implementation learnings to be tracked and be widely distributed to the industry to help adoption. So project performance has been found to increase with AWT maturity. Early implementers will usually see benefits due to work phase planning, and here project performance is a function of safety, productivity, predictability, cost, schedule. Mature implementers, on the other hand, as they expand their approach to a portfolio of projects and adopt AWT in the enterprise level, have seen much more significant benefits during execution. This performance chasm or disparity between early implementers and more mature implementers may actually hinder adoption at the early stages, when you don't see all the expected results from successful full AWT adoption. So this study aims to provide guidance to overcome this chasm and this performance disparity. So RT390 aims to do that in two specific ways. First, a targeted guidance to implementation that will be provided through discipline-based modules. Those will address implementation steps, roles, and key actions. And this will be complemented by an enterprise-level AWT program guidance. So ways that an agency or an industry member can adopt or advance their AWT program. Those two combined can maximize the level of AWT benefits expected in a project. And when we talk about benefits, they have been largely addressed at the execution level. So I talked before about performance, but the 390 study employed a survey from industry members that have been using AWT and observed more granular benefits and quantified them during execution. So one of the basic significant benefits was found to be a more granular tracking of progress by work packages. In addition to execution benefits, though, 390 employed the survey to also understand benefits that are manifested at the earlier stages. They haven't been explored before. However, the advanced portion of AWT can really provide also benefits on early planning. So significant benefits that were observed by industry members were particularly improved visibility into constraints during path of construction planning and earlier guidance to engineering and procurement on need-by dates for design information deliverables. Those not only show that successful AWP can provide benefits throughout the life cycle, but also motivates the doers of each phases to really adopt the concept of AWP. Going forward, the presenters will talk about the content of the guide, but I wanted to show that the 390 will support all the steps of the AWP journey. So it is produced and divided into 7 modules. Those modules are self-contained, but altogether they provide a holistic view of the AWP adoption in the project and program level. So the first module will be the AWP Review and Owner's Guide. This will provide fundamentals of the AWP process. It's a starting point for early and mature implementers to consolidate the important key elements of AWP, and also will include owner's considerations, so key things for an owner that starts or matures their program. The 5 handbooks will include actionable guidance into discipline for each project. So the handbooks are divided into preliminary planning, detailed engineering, construction execution, commissioning and startup, and procurement. And they are all grounded by a common AWP timeline that will also cover throughout the presentation. And finally, the Enterprise Guide will provide considerations for industry, both contractors, service providers, and owners that want to start or mature their AWP program. So in summary, these 7 modules will be included as one report, and here our presenters will talk more about the content.